and show y'all how I put my hair, my dirty ass hair, up in a nice little cute little bun, you know, top knot type shit. You know, I make it look a little full, like make my bun look a little big and full and shit. But yeah, so this morning I got up this morning and I did me some yoga, and I just started getting into this yoga shit. I was on YouTube and I did yoga with Adrienne. She has an abs, arms, and attitude yoga for beginners workout routine. And I was like, this week let me do some yoga. So I work out like 4 times a week. So that's what I do, and I just get to do some yoga, you know, to make me feel a little alive and stuff. And then after that, I listen to some affirmation videos from Growing Forever, prosperity affirmation while you sleep, but I actually watch it while I'm up, you know. But anyhow, so by that all being said, my head is completely dirty as shit. I'm a lazy natural. I do not like to wash my freaking stink hair like that. I don't, because I don't be into all that detangling and all that other stuff. So I usually let my hair a little dry a bit, let the thickness dry a bit, and then I, you know, revamp my hair, try to revamp this old dirty hair, and then, you know, go about my day. Now, when I can really smell my hair, that's when I just wash it. But other than that, so let's begin. I'm going to spray my hair with water in this big bottle. Just spray it up a bit. Spray in the middle too. To activate the products, the old products I had in my hair. With my hair dirty, so I don't like to add products really, especially if I'm home. I don't want to add no extra products in my hair. I ain't doing shit, nothing. So I don't need to be adding no bunch of products. So just do that. Get all that in, activate all that products. So I think the product's already activated. Like you can see the little like stuff. Like my hair grows like so long right now. Like it grew, girl. It grew. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. This is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In. I all know about this shit. Because I love this shit so much. So yeah. Using some of this. I guess using this much. Let's put it around. I'm mainly focusing it on my tips, my ends of my hair. I'm rough, so yes, honey, I'm rough. Especially with my hair, so I'm not gentle at all. I'm rough on the whole shoot. Just say that. Now, I'm gonna brush it up a little bit. It's optional for y'all if y'all want to add, you know, more products. You know, I'm home, but I just like to look nice when I'm home. Look like sense. No, I don't want to look like nobody's child, so this is what I do. I brush it up. Oh, this, I'm gonna use my Old Faithful. Nah, that's how I made that. This was made from these pantyhose. This is the only thing I put in my hair. I try other scrunchies and stuff. It don't work at all. So I just cut the pantyhose at the rim of the waistline of the pantyhose. And you make my own little scrunchie headband shit. Because the other ones don't work, or my hair get tangled up in it. So I have to make my own stuff. And this one, I had that for years. So that's the Good Faithful. All I do is put it in the washing machine, wash it, and I'm good to go. Just brushing it up, making sure. Like brush it up first, and make sure it's smooth as shit. Now I'm going to use some Eco Style black castor and flaxseed oil gel. I have a little bit of this left, to be honest with y'all. I only have a little bit of this left. So I just use a little bit because I ain't going nowhere. So I guess I only want to make make myself look good. I apply like I put on perm. You know how they go with the line, do the scoop back. Like, that's how I do it. Do a little bit in the bar. Just in case I go outside, you know, take out the garbage and be like, hey, Miss Culmer, hey, honeys, hey, little kids. Girl, how are y'all doing this morning? Miss Culmer, you always looking nice. Yes, honey. So anytime I put on gel, I go into to take out the garbage, honey. Just get this. Okay. Oh, this is hurt. Ugh, holding my trying to put my all my hair up in one that is hurt as hell. I'm gonna take my little homemade spongy top bubble type whatever you call it and wrap it around. To the end of it, and I just tie it in the back. See, get up. Now I just brush around. Oh, the TV turned off just now. Look, I may add a little bit more gel, but really, I don't add too much because what they do when they sing at home, they just show me how to look good at home. I like to look rough. Well, I like to look like sense, semi like sense, okay? Next, I'm gonna pull it just a bit. Now I'm going to add my bobby pins to my hair and make my little bun, top knot slash bun. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna wrap it like this. I pull some hair like that. Pin it in the back. Hair. I don't put all the hair. I really just pick and choose, and that's done two bobby pins. I don't like to use a lot of bobby pins in my hair because that shit is hurt. Like when your hair dry, oof, shit hurts, darling. And one more right up here. Leave the rest like leave the curls, you know, like this, and that's my top knot bun. Now you can tie it down if you want to. Get my little toothbrush. Make sure. I should tie it down just for a few minutes. Go and tie it down, so lay it down. Leave it for a few. We're basically done ready to go to the garbage can outside. Like, hey, I gotta keep looking my best on my worst day. Just fix it and shape it up a little bit. I like to leave some of the curls like, oh, just like, because I think like it's cute when you leave some of the, you know, natural curls, like your curls out like fussy. So I like when my top knot bun looks really, really messy. I love a messy top knot bun, honey. Boom. girl, going on a days and I used to like my top on look sleek. I like it messy. The messy it looks, the nice, it look nicer to me in my eyes when it comes to my hair. So we just tie this down and leave this down and I'll be back, honey. This should not slick and look. Now, since it's been about a few minutes, I think I'm going to take off the scarf because I'm looking outside right now and it looks like it's going to rain. I need to go try and take out the trash, you know, and just, you know, look nice while I go hail them nosy ass neighbors. Start of my life. So, yeah, this is going to let this down because, it looks like I'm the storm, baby. So, this is my hair. Oh, messy and shit. And that's how I like it. And it smells good, honey. And my hair smells so good, girl. My hair smells good, girl. Because of this cream of nature curl repair thingy. Leave-in conditioner and makeup. Sweaty hair smells good. And it look good. I like it. I like it. So this is my messy top knot. Stay at home, hail the flippin' neighbor, nosy ass neighbors while you go outside to the garbage. I got a shit to tell type tutorial, girl. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. See y'all again until my next video. Bye.